All right, so this is a memorial or sympathy gift. Special thanks to the company for sending this my way. They wanted me to create an unboxing to show everybody what you can get with this product if you were to buy it. So it comes in this box with this little string on it. Don't really know why, but hey, that's a pretty cool, neat little touch. And that way it opens. All right, so right. Oh wow, little card. Yeah, in loving memory, you know, kind of thing. And little stand. All right. And then the actual item, and well, that's it for the box. And so this is, wow. Perhaps they are not stars in the sky, but rather openings where our loved ones shine down to let us know they are happy. Can't disagree. I like that. Hear that noise? It feels like it's like a rock almost, but love the little look on the edges and the wording. And you know, if you were to use the stand, set it in there, bam, it would look about something like that sitting on your table. So there we go. That will do it for this memorial sympathy gift. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.